Dear students, good morning, namaste. In the previous video, vectors 8, we discussed the two properties, case 1 and case 2. One property, case 1 and case 2. That is a section rule. We are given 2 points whose position vectors are also given. Suppose A and B are 2 points. The position vector of A is A bar, B is B bar. If the line joining AB is divided by a point C, both internally and externally. Internally is case 1 and externally is case 2. For that point, we can find the position vector. That is, OC bar is, if that ratio is M is to N, MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N internally. Externally means MB bar minus NA bar by M minus N. Okay, now in geometry also, two-dimensional geometry, the point divides internally mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, like that. Externally mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. Here also the same concept. Okay, now? Yeah. Now we are going to the part 9, that is vector algebra. The position vector of centroid. It is based on the section rule. You see, observe me. The proof. You see, observe me. We are given a triangle whose vertices are A, B, C. The position vector of, here we are given position vector P, V. Next onwards, you try to mention and you try to know about this one. It is abbreviation PV, position vector of vertices of triangle are OA bar is A bar, OB bar is B bar, OC bar is C bar. That is, we are given the vertices with the position vector. Somewhere is O. Suppose O is there, horizon. From O to this horizon is B bar. O to this one is C bar, and O2 like that. It is a bar. But it is understood by writing like this. Suppose clearly I will give the position. It is B bar, it is A bar, C bar, and it is A bar actually. O is somewhere. Horizon. Suppose this is horizon. Always I am telling that this is horizon, x axis, y axis, z axis. Here is a triangle ABC. Here A point is there, OA bar is A bar like this. OB bar is B bar. OC bar is C bar like that. But we should not draw like this. Why? Because OABC is quadrilateral. So there may be some confusion, but understood. There is understanding that O is somewhere, ABC triangle is in space and O is somewhere. We assume. If you write A bar in the bracket of capital A, that means O is there, horizon, and OA bar is A bar. A is a point, O, horizon is there somewhere. This triangle or the point A is in the space. That is the meaning of writing A bar, single letter writing A bar in the bracket of that particular point means there is horizon and this point is space and A bar is a position vector. Here also B bar bracket in B. It is a position vector of point B is B bar. If you write C bar, small c bar, single letter, in the bracket means in the front of any point, that point in the space and horizon somewhere, it is understood. Every time it is not needed to write like that. Okay, na? Yeah. Now, A bar, B bar, C bar are position vectors of these vertices of triangle ABC. Yeah, okay. Now you see D. D is the midpoint of BC. Midpoint, that means 1:1 ratio. Then what about OD bar? OD bar is OB bar plus O C bar by 2. Okay na? M is 1, N is 1. 1 B bar plus 1 C bar. M O B bar plus N O C bar like that. Okay na? 1 into O B bar plus 1 into O C bar by 2. It is equal to B bar plus C bar by 2. Since D is midpoint of midpoint of BC. For BC line segment, for BC side of the triangle ABC, if D is the midpoint for BC side, if D is the midpoint, by using the section rule, we can write mx2 plus nx1, m into OC bar, 1 into OB bar by 2. In order, OB bar plus OC bar by 2. 2 means m plus n, 1 plus 1. Okay na? Is it clear? Try to understand. So, OD bar is there. So, here OD bar vector is there. We know that OD bar. Now, we join AD. Here, what is AD? Here AD is median. Okay, Naina? Here I am writing here. Here AD is median. Okay, na? It is a median through the vertex A and joining the midpoint of BC. AD is a median, yeah. And by using the geometry, G is the centroid 2:1 ratio. Will you agree? Yeah. Centroid. I am writing here. G is centroid which divides AD, median AD, in the ratio 2:1. All these are previous knowledge. Okay, na? It is a fundamental knowledge. Median, what is median? Vertex to midpoint of BC. Okay, na? AD is median. If E is there for AC midpoint, E is there, B is also median. F is there on AB midpoint. By joining C and F is also median. All are meeting at one point. Everything is known. So AD is here only one meaning is enough. AD is a median. Centroid G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Okay, na? It is nearer to midpoint and distant to vertex. We know it well. So I will. Observe it. You see, here, just I remove this one and I will write here. Here A is there and D is there, just to assume. Here G point is there. It is in the ratio 2:1. Okay, Nana? I am removing this one, I am writing here. So, we are taking like this, AD simply. Centroid, we need centroid. Centroid G divides AD in the ratio. It is just like M and it is just like N. Okay, na? Now, how can you calculate OG bar? OG bar is 2 into M into M. It is M. M into means 2 into OD bar, this OD bar, plus this 1 into OA bar by 2 plus 1. That is M plus N. 2 plus 1. It is 2 into, what is OD bar? We know it. Here it is B bar plus C bar by 2 is there. So it is B bar plus C bar by 2 plus 1 into A bar is A bar by 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, na? I remove here. Observe it. Now this is, I am writing here. It is 2 and 2 cancels. We get B bar plus C bar plus A bar by 3. Very clearly, in order, it is A bar plus B bar plus C bar by 3. This is the OG bar. Okay, na? This OG bar. So, the position vector of G, the position vector of centroid, G means centroid, is nothing but A bar plus B bar plus C bar by 3. In the geometry also, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Like that, A bar plus B bar plus C bar by 3. What is A bar? Position vector of vertex A, B, C. That means the vertices, the position vector, sum of position vectors of vertices by 3 is a centroid. Okay, na? That is that. Okay, na? You follow it well? Yeah. Okay. Now it is completed. The first unit of vectors. Everything, properties, everything is over. Now we are going to start 10.2 by using all the previous definitions, properties, formulas, like that. Now you see, exercise 10.2 is compute the magnitudes of three vectors are given. Compute, you find the magnitudes, length, okay, the modulus of the vector. You see, first one. It is the first one already I wrote on the board. You observe me. The waste of time. That is why I want first I wrote all the problem and then I am explaining. A bar, for the first vector, A bar is I cap plus J cap plus K cap is given the given vector for which we are finding the modulus. Modulus or length or magnitude, all are same. The modulus of A bar, the length of A bar, the magnitude of A bar is the same vector I cap, J cap plus K cap. The root of formula is there. What is the formula? Root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, na? Where x, y, z are components, scalar components, or drs. Already I told you. So x square plus y square plus z square. The modulus of a vector, the length of a vector is the positive square root of squares of positive square root of sum of squares of components. X, y, z are components of xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, like that. Okay, this formula is known. So here 1 I cap, 1 j cap, 1 k cap, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So root 3. So root 3 is the answer. For B bar, B bar is 2i minus 7j minus 3k. Modulus of B bar is 2 square minus 7 is y minus 3 is z. X square plus y square plus z square. 2 square 4, 49, 9. So it is root 62. Next C bar. You see C bar. C bar is 1 by root 3i plus 1 by root 3j and minus 1 by root 3k. Minus 1 by root 3k is there. Here also mod of C bar is 1 by root 3 is x. Here 1 by root 3 is y. 1 by root 3 is k. But for x square, 1 by root 3 square, directly I gave the answer. 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3 again. Minus 1 by root 3 with the square is plus 1 by 3 only. Try to understand it. Don't put minus. Here minus 1 by root 3 itself is z, just like z. Z square means minus square is plus 1 by root 3 square is 3. Very clearly you have to take it down. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 by 3. LCM is 3 only. In the denominator, numerator 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 by 3 with the root is 1. So this is answer. Next, we'll go to second question. You see there, write down the different vectors having the same magnitude. Same magnitude. It is a logical one. You see, A bar is I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Not that A bar. I am writing with one example. We are asked to write two different vectors whose magnitudes are the same. For I plus j plus k, if you take not this one, if you take this vector as one vector, its magnitude modulus of a bar is 3. For b bar also, you see, 1 square is 1. Minus 1 square is also 1. I will write clearly. You see here, mod b bar, modulus of b bar is a root of, what is b? I am taking here, I am taking here. It is 1 square plus minus 1 square plus again minus 1 square. So it is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it is a root 3. Okay, Nana? So here the modulus of a and b, a bar and b bar both are same. So this here a bar and b bar, I plus j plus k, I minus j minus k. Both are two vectors whose magnitudes are same. Okay, na? I'll give one more example for this one also. You see that. Let a bar is equal to 3i plus 4j plus 5k. B bar is equal to 4i plus 3j minus 5k. These two vectors are different vectors. Why? Because here 3, 4, 5 is there, but 4, 3 minus 5. If you see in the point wise, it is 3, 4, 5 is a point, say capital A. It is a different point. Here 4, 3 minus 5. So there are two different points in the space. A bar is small a bar like this. B bar is B bar like this one. Okay, then? But magnitude, you find modulus of A bar is root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square is 9 plus 16, 25 plus 25, 50. Okay, na? It is 5 root 25 2s, 5 root 2. Whereas mod b bar is also, you see, it is 4 square plus 3 square. Okay, na? Minus 5 square. You observe me. Many students can catch, but some of you cannot understand. You simply put the minus here. It is wrong. Minus 5 is itself is the coefficient of k cap, that is z square. It is also root of 16 plus 9 plus 25 only. It is plus 25. Here also we get 50. 5 root 2. Okay, now? So magnitudes are equal, but there are different directions, different points, different position vectors, different vectors. So that is the question 2. Now, okay, now, just next, third one. Write down the vectors having the same direction. You see, it's a very good, fantastic concept. Observe. You see, third one. We have to find it. Write down two different vectors. Here is two different vectors. Two different vectors having the same direction. Direction must be same, but they have to different. You see, for example, I will show. It is horizon, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. We know it well. Okay. Okay, now, suppose a point is there, 1, 1, 1. Okay, now? And it's a point B. So it is 2, 2, 2. Okay, now? Try to understand. They must lie on the same thing. Okay, now? Y bar, it is. Y bar, B bar are same. But the coefficients are different. You see, Y bar is ever is 1 comma 1 comma 1 means it is I plus j cap plus k cap. Not needed always writing k cap, I cap, j cap. It is your duty. You have to write on your notes and the exam. But masters giving some time, taking some time. So I am writing just like I bar, j bar, k bar. But it is always not I bar, I cap, j cap, k cap. And B bar, it is 2 comma 2. Say it is B bar. It is 2 comma 2 comma 2. Means it is 2i plus 2j plus 2k. Will agree? By seeing they are different. Actually they are different. A, B are two different points. Position vectors are I plus j plus k. And for B bar is y plus 2j plus 2k. With different magnitudes. But direction is same. Same direction. How can you say same direction? The DRs 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. They are same. Cosines. Direction cosines. Direction ratios are same. Not only 3 comma 3 comma 3 like that. One more example. Here A bar and B bar are having, I will write it. Here A bar and B bar are having the same. Are having the same direction. Okay now? Not only this one. One more example. I will give you one more example. Let A bar is equal to 2i minus 3j. Okay now? Plus k cap. And B bar is equal to 4i minus 6j plus 2k. Simply observe me there. It is 2 times. Here also 2 times. Not 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. Then also they are different. Different but 2 comma minus 3 comma 1 point. Here 4 comma minus 6 comma 2. Another point. Position vectors are different. Points are different. But they are lying on the same line. Or having the same direction. Here the same direction. Okay now? So that is the third question. Okay? Yeah. 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 Okay, now observe me. Next, fourth problem. Here also 4 and 5 already I solved on the board. Why? Because the waste of time. Okay now? Fourth problem is find the values of x and y so that the vectors something are equal. Equal vectors. They are equal vectors. You are given 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj are two equal vectors. Equal vectors means they are equal. Okay now? Equal vectors means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Like that also we may solve. Equal vectors means the position, the coefficients. That is the components. Corresponding components are, I am right here. Corresponding components are equal. Okay now? Or otherwise equal vectors means its magnitude and its magnitude also equal. Like that also we may solve. Next, very simple problem. You leave it out then. Next, fifth one. What is the fifth one? Find the scalar and vector components. Already I told you. If a vector is there, a free vector is there, the coefficients of x, I, j, k, x, y, z are components. That is scalar components. Those are DRs are also. Don't confuse. DRs, scalar components are simply components. Okay na? X, y, z. Coefficients are also. That is scalar components. But what about the vector components? Vector x I cap, y j cap, z k cap. Unit vectors must be added to the x, y, z. Okay? Already everything is over. But here scalar vector components of a vector joining the initial point and terminal point. We are given initial point and terminal point. You see, given points A, 2, 1 is initial. B, minus 5, 7 is a terminal point. So, AB bar A to B. A is initial first point, B is a next point, end point. AB bar is equal to, a free vector can be expressed as the difference of position vectors of terminal and initial. This is terminal, already given. It is initial, OB bar minus 1 bar. What is OB bar? 5, 7, minus 2, 1. Like that you have to practice. What is 5, 7? 5i. It is 5i plus 7j minus of 2i plus j. 5i minus 5i minus 2j minus 7i plus 7j minus j. Minus j is 6j. So minus 7i plus 6j. Here minus 7 comma 6 comma 0 because here 0 k cap is there. Okay, Nana? Minus 7, 6, 0 are the scalar components. Okay, Nana? Yeah. And here only minus, not minus 7, minus 7i, 6j, 0k are the vector components. Okay, na? For the scalar components, if you add I cap, j cap, k cap, then it will become as a vector components. Okay, na? Is it clear? Huh? Yeah.